Okay, so this is my attempt at making a strawberry shortcake. And what I did was I made a vanilla cake, and I made it in this bread pan here. Okay, and so I cut the top off so I could level it, and then I cut it in half, and then I just melted chocolate chips, and that's what's in the middle here is just melted chocolate. It's all organic ingredients. Eggless cake, but I ran out of coconut oil, so my cake is a little bit heavier. It's more like a banana bread heaviness to it instead of the airy, spongy cake of a shortcake, but it still tastes good. And guess what I forgot? Guess what I forgot, guys? I actually bought this and forgot to put sugar in the cake. But that's okay. It still tastes wonderful. It tastes really good. And I think it's going to go really well with the chocolate. And then we've got organic or non-GMO coconut milk product for whipping cream. So that's what we're going to layer on the inside. And I'm cutting the strawberries. These are fresh from a farmer's market that my sister and my brother-in-law, thank you so much. They were so loving, and they brought these from their little travels from wherever they were. So I'm just gonna I wanted to make them this strawberry shortcake, but I didn't have time to make it because I thought I had more time with them, but it turns out that they had plans too, so they couldn't stay, we got a day and a half with them, so that's good. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful for that. So right now I'm just slicing up the strawberries, and I'm going to see if, this is good. It's frozen, so I'm just forking it a little bit so that I can just soften it up a little bit. It's like ice cream, right? But it's whipping cream, but it's coconut whipping cream. And I just want to soften it up a bit so I can put it on the cake. I should have actually just let it thaw out a little bit more, but that's okay. We're flying by the seat of our pants here. That's what we do in Shannon's kitchen. We just do what we do. We just cook with love. That's the main thing, right? We just cook with love. So I'm just like softening it up a little bit with the spoon here. And it's still frozen, but that's okay. It's softening up. It's good. So yes, you can make your own whipping cream, but because I do organic things and I do not do dairy, so this is what I've got to work with, the coconut cream, and it tastes really good, and it's got a lot of sugar in it. It's really sweet on its own and tastes like whipping cream. It's really good stuff. For me, it's like freaking ice cream, but so I'm just mixing it right now. So, all right, so now, so good. Excuse me, I shouldn't talk with my mouth full. All right, so what I think I want to do is I don't have icing bags to pipe this in, so, and it's still frozen. So, but I think it's the consistency of what would be buttercream icing, maybe a little bit more harder than buttercream icing or frosting, but this works. So what I want to do is just put a little bit in the middle there, and I don't want to use my fingers for this. So we'll just use a fork and slide it off. We'll spread it out. See, we make things work here in Shannon's kitchen. We do it. We know what we're doing. May not look like it, but I totally know what I'm doing. This looks so good in my head, right? I totally know what I'm doing. This is a work of art here. Oh, that might be a little bit too much, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it. So I know the cake bakers are gonna be like saying, this is sacrilege, because you're supposed to actually pipe an outline first of icing and then put your filling in, and then pipe on more icing to cover the filling, but we do everything backwards here in Shannon's kitchen, so why the heck not? It's going all in the same place, right? It's going in the stomach. It's going, and it doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be pretty. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some strawberries now, and we're just gonna layer them on. Now, of course, if I was actually cooking this for my sister and my brother-in-law, then I would do it by the book. But this is me. I just want to make this to see if I can, and to see what it turns out like. Like, I'm cooking with love. I'm cooking in their honor. I'm cooking in thanks. And I'm just so grateful, and I'm just experimenting and just putting this together because I'm so very grateful to God, and I'm thankful to family. Oh, see, see, it's melting. That's okay. That's okay. Put another strawberry there. And I think you're supposed to have another layer of cream, but since it's melting, like, look at that, right? Isn't that awesome? It's melting. How awesome is that? It's melting. So we're just gonna put this, we used the whole container, guys. Oh yeah, see, it's melting. We don't want it to melt, and you know what? We know better for next time, right? We know better for next time. If I knew you were coming out of baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I knew you were coming out of baked a cake, how'd you do, how'd you do, how'd you do? Okay, so I don't have enough to do the sides, but as you see, it's already melting. It's already melting, so we're gonna have to cut into this bad boy. That's just the way we gotta do it. So I got some leftover chocolate here, so I'm just gonna drizzle. And the chocolate's starting to harden now too, so it's not drizzling, it's clumping. Ah! You guys would think I've never cooked before or made a cake before. Oh, we try. In Shannon's kitchen, it's my kitchen, and I get to do what I want. And we're cooking with love, and we're trying to be clean. So we'll put all that off to the side, and just put some more strawberries on top. There you go. Voila! Beautiful! to cut into this. So we're going to move this strawberry, cut it in half. Oh my gosh. This is not going to go well, guys. This is where it's going to go freaky deaky. Oh yeah. Okay. Whoops, getting out of plate. And I'll show you the inside. We tried, right? We tried. And there's what it looks like cut. So we tried. Good job. I'm sure it tastes delicious. Thank you for cooking with Shannon. I love you all. Bye.